What's going on, guys? We're in the 2015-2014 Honda Civic. So I'm just going to show you guys how to start this thing up. So you're going to take your foot on the brake, not the gas pedal or the clutch or whatever. If it's got a clutch, push the brake, and you push the little engine start and stop button. And make sure the key fob is in here. So push that button. And you hear it just run purr. And it runs about 1.5 RPMs. About 1500 RPMs. And this thing's got HDMI for what? That's pretty cool. Wow, it's full HDMI. USB. It's pretty quiet, this car. Holy. Turn the air and heat on. That's pretty nice. I like this car. Heat. What's it doing? Put it on defrost and foot. Rear. Blare it. Nope. Alright, so this is the Honda Civic. 2015, something like that. 2014. Tiny steering wheel. It's got the button clicks here, so you just, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Peace out.